In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new records and update existing ones in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to manage your contacts better or simply keep your records up to date, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's begin. First, head over to the HubSpot website. Once there, you'll want to locate the login button. You can find it in the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will prompt you to sign in. For those of you who have your accounts linked with Google, you can click on the Sign In with Google option and select the account you wish to use. This step makes logging in quick and effortless, saving you time for your actual tasks. Now that you're logged in, it's time to go to your CRM. You can do this by navigating to the CRM section within HubSpot. This is where all contact management happens. Once you're in the CRM, look for the Contacts option and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage all your contact records. To add new records or update existing ones, you'll need to import data. Locate the Import button within the Contacts section and click on it. This will open up the Import section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Import Data. Clicking on this will set you up for the next steps. You'll then see a Start Import option. Selecting this initiates the process of bringing new data into your HubSpot account. You'll be greeted with a few options, including importing contacts, which is your focus here. So choose Contacts. Now there's a Next button that you need to click on. This leads you into an important step where you'll choose how you want to import your contacts. Click on the drop-down menu that says Choose how to import contacts. From the options given, select Update Existing Contacts Only. This ensures that you're only changing records that already exist in your system, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity. Next, browse your computer for the CSV file that holds the contact data you want to update. Ensure that this file is formatted correctly with the columns that match the contact properties in HubSpot. Having the right format is essential for a smooth import process. Once you've selected your CSV file, click on Next. At this stage, you'll have to map the columns from your file to the contact properties in HubSpot. This is done to ensure that each piece of information lands in the right spot in your CRM. Pay close attention here. Precise mapping is key to accurate data updates. Finally, with everything set, click on Start to Import to begin the process of updating your contacts in HubSpot. You now have your existing records updated with new data. You can revisit these steps anytime you need to keep your records current. This guide should help you manage your HubSpot contacts seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips.